Oh my God, what do you want, pressure?
Appreciate you, bro. I go shop with my boy, man. Reach out God, man.
Hey, why let me grab one of them hoes up off you?
It's 7:53 in the morning. I ain't woke up this early and actually got out of bed in a minute, you know. What's good, YouTube, man? Y'all already know it's your boy Killer J Joe, man. We are back with another vlog. As y'all can see, man, your boy is in the whip, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we going to the post office right now. As y'all can see, man, I got the Rich Off Guide tee on. We ain't got that many packages to drop off, man. It's just some slight, some light. It's a little Tuesday, so we got a little back end, you know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to pick up the camera. So I'm back in that mode. I feel like when I'm in that mode, nobody can stop me. Nothing can stop me. God give me the energy and the motivation to just keep going, you know what I'm saying? What's good, YouTube? Y'all already know, man, it's your boy Killer J Joe, and we are back with another video. Today's vlog, we starting off early, man. We outside early. It ain't even early no more, cause I actually like woke up late, bro. I didn't feel like waking up early this morning. So today we finna get our day started. Y'all see I got the Duffy with me. Y'all already know, man. I gotta show y'all every single video. Like, we got the Rich Off Guide shirt on, you know what I'm saying? Y'all already know, man. Rich Off Guide, flares. It is, we go Balenciaga on the shoes, man. But we finna just drop some pieces off. And we finna go do that right now, man. I just crunk up the whip. I think I gotta go get some gas though, cause I don't think the whip got no gas. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the car so I can actually like talk to y'all. What up, scat? When I ain't seen you in a minute, but I just made a payment for you to what, last night, boy? I ain't gonna lie, boy, you really expensive, but hey, we ain't tripping, okay? God got it, you know what I'm saying? But boy, alright, I'm finna put that over there. Right, it's a little rainy day today too, I feel like. The ground wet. I heard some rain earlier this morning, but it ain't raining right now. Y'all know how Caleb Joe show is, man. We really don't be having stuff planned. We just do stuff whenever we do it, and I record it for y'all folks, man. But I ain't gonna cap to y'all folks, bro. I need a haircut and I need my hair done so bad. But the thing is, like, I may just like let my hair grow out until I go to that streetwear event, because honestly, like, it's not like I need a cut right now, because I'm not even on the scene for real. I ain't popping out. I ain't really doing too much. I be a little comfortable with my looks, because I mean, I feel like I still be looking straight without a cut. I'm not single, you feel me? So like, it ain't like I gotta be looking cute. Like, I'm talking about like to the T. Like, I ain't gotta have no fresh haircut every week type jump, bro. I ain't looking for nobody, you feel me? But I mean, I don't know. Some people may disagree with that. Some people may be like, bro, you still gotta look good, bro. Woo. Man, I look good regardless. I already got a big ass forehead, so I be letting my line grow. Like, y'all niggas don't be letting y'all line grow and stuff. Like, that's what's wrong with y'all, bro. Don't be getting your haircut every week, because your barber is gonna push your line back. I don't care if you the best barber in the world, bro. If you getting a haircut every single week, your hair not even able to grow back, bro. Like, you don't need to get a haircut a taper, every single week, bro. Do not be doing that. Like, go 2 to 3 weeks, bro. 2 to 3 weeks, you straight. But if you going every week to that barber sitting in that nigga chair, bro, he just wants your money at that point, bro. Because he ain't telling you the truth. He ain't telling you that your line gonna start receiving. This gotta be like the longest light in history, bro. Like, why is this light still red? Oh, that's what I'm gonna do. I am not getting gas right here. This gas is crazy high. Hold on. I just thought about it, but I almost just got finessed by the gas station. Like, I ain't gonna lie, gas right here like $4 and something. Cause y'all know we get big premium. I am not finna be paying no $4 for gas when I can get it for $3 and like at least like $3.80 right down the street to it at QT. See, I was finna go to BP. BP was finna have me going outside. Man, I ain't gonna cap, bro. This gas actually ain't even bad. Like, I think gas is like what, probably about $3.80. This Rich Off Guide look crazy, man. Y'all got a shop. God made us rich, man. Turn me up, bro. Yeah. Y'all can't cap. We the hardest shirts, hardest size chart, everything like crazy. Like, Who doing it like me, you feel me? I'm finna just make some ton of noises for y'all people though. Y'all listen though. Ooh, hold on, we can't even get crazy with it though. I couldn't even get crazy with it. I can't even get crazy with it though, cause my car spinning out already, you feel me? Yeah, there's so much traffic, I can't even hit the gas like I want to, bro. Not that much traffic, but I might crash out. I'm trying to just make it say, you know what I'm saying? I want everybody else to make it say, twin. Like, I ain't trying to do too much, twin. No, you can't come over here. See, that's another thing. People be trying to force their way. No, bro, you're not coming over here. I'm sorry, gang. No, you're not getting over here, gang. Not in front of me. You get in front of them, you're not getting in front of me. That's the thing, bro. People trying to cut in front of you and stuff. Like, no, bro. Wait your turn, bro. Wait your turn, bro. That's all you gotta do is just wait your turn. They teach everybody that in life, like, wait your turn. I'm talking about, I'm straight hitting the gas in the rain, cuz, like, twin, like, see something. I'm hitting the gas in the rain, twin, like, it ain't raining, but the flow with it, you feel me? I keep this mug up real quick now. I can't even catch traction though. Let me put that mug in manual real quick. Let me show y'all, folks. I'm finna geek it up through the tunnel real quick. I know y'all be wanting to see action, bro. I'm finna geek it up in the tunnel real quick. Show y'all folks something. Hold on. I ain't gonna lie, we can't get too crazy though. This mug is not having no traction at all. Bro, we ain't got no traction, y'all. It's cause the roads wet, the tires wet, so I can't even do too much. Oh my God. Woo! Hey, y'all, we really low-key just got sideways a little bit though. That's the only thing about having a real drive. I can't even say it, but that's the only thing about having a rear drive car, bro. You cannot get out your lane, cuz. Like, if I really gotta hit the gas, I'm in custom mode. I'm hitting the gas for real. I can't get out because it's so much power to do. You feel me? Like, too much motion. You can't even get out of there. I need the track hawk. I ain't gonna cap the y'all for, but I gotta get the Trackiana, man. The Trackiana gonna get me out of there. Bro, I can't even go crazy for real, bro. That bump was crazy, bro. But yeah, as I can see, man, we in the city with it. Dang, that's crazy. Hold on. These potholes be horrendous in the city. Oh my God, how y'all driving this, bro? How do y'all be driving in this, bro, without knocking y'all car out of line, bro? I ain't gonna lie. I cannot do this every day, bro. Drive through this. Car be out of line and some more stuff, bro. God damn, these bumps just sound like they just doing all type of damage. Y'all see, man, that's Georgia State over there, bro. That's where everybody be linking up. Hey, let that mug all the way down right there. You know you gotta cut up a little bit, P. You gotta cut up a little bit, P. Stop playing. The city looking lovely though, man. Y'all see the people of the world out here. You feel me? We got OG over there swinging the bucket. Stop playing with him. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. Hold on. Oh my goodness, bro. I can't never get like, you feel me? Like, I can't even, you feel me? That mother got me lost for words. I can't even speak, twin. Oh my God, what do you want, pressure? You feel me? This mother so pressure, twin, like, dang. Oh my God. Bro. This mother go stupid, bro. Like, if you got the funds, bro, if you're able to, bro, go get you a V8. I ain't gonna say get you a Mopar. Go get you a V8 in general. Like, I don't care what kind of V8 it is. It gotta be a V8 though. Alright, let me call Twin real quick, y'all. Let me call Twin real quick though. He say stay around here. Let me see. Got my boy shopping with me, man. You feel me? Just pulled up on him.
See you, man.
Yeah.
They did the one right here?
Yeah, that be him. It's, unless you want the oversized fit, you feel me?
They're like standard, ain't they?
Yeah, they're like standard.
I'm trying the extra large.
Let me see that bit.
Yeah, I go shop with my boy, man. Reach out God.
Yeah.
Yo, what's going on,
What
my
up,
boy?
man?
Hey, why let me grab one of them hoes of coffee?
Man, hold on, what size you said you needed?
3X.
I ain't gonna lie, look 3X at the crib, twin.
I think they did the one right here.
grab my line.
Yeah.
Damn,
I got the,
you in the area? I stay right here. You in the area?
I can come back through.
Easy, slide through. Easy.
I'm good. Yeah, I got the 2X on me though. I ain't had a 3X though.
I can't get it no 2.
Now I got you with a 3. I can come back through
Easy,
this
slide
bitch.
back through. I'm here.
I bet say no more, twin.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with them, bro.
You want both color?
Yeah, both colors.
What you do, CashApp?
Yeah. What that is?
100. That's how their clothing shit be working though. I don't even know.
You gotta be outside with their clothes and shit.
You gonna be at the streetwear?
And April 20th, that one?
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Appreciate you, bro. I go shop with my boy, man. Reach out God, man.
You feel me?
Appreciate you, bro.
Which one? Alright, but I got that different.
All right, man. All good,
Show
bro.
my boy.
Yep.
Hey, bro, shit on YouTube whenever you want to try to do some content. I can do
What you
some
trying
shit.
to do? I'm with it.
Whatever, bro. I'm trying to get back outside on the YouTube wave, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Let me get your number.
I done seen like a couple of your videos on IG with it.
Yeah, I gotta be more consistent, for real.
Show, man.
All right, appreciate you, bro.
Man, shout yourself out on that bit though, man. YouTube,
Hey, man,
bro.
y'all go follow me, man. Rio TV on all platforms, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, man. Y'all go follow my content, man.
Yeah, man. No cap, man. We support who support us, bro. So you feel me? Bro, tapped in with Rich Hawk God, man. Y'all already know, man. Y'all go follow my boy. Go subscribe to him, all that.
For sure,
Okay,
man. We
bro.
going up, man.
For real, man. All right, my boy.
All good,
For
bro.
sure. Shout out to God, you feel me? You make everything possible. No cap, man. We finna have everybody in that Rich Hawk God. I'm telling y'all, bro. We outside, bro. No more inside Kayla Joe, man. We outside for the rest of the year. Sheesh. We outside for the rest of the year, bro. I'm telling y'all, folk, man. Like, I done gave my life to Christ. Well, I been did that. But it's the fact that, like, you give your life to Christ and then you start putting the action to what you need to be doing in life. You feel me? Like, that's really how it work, bro. Like, God ain't gonna work if you ain't putting yourself to work. You know what I'm saying? Like, you really gotta meet God halfway. That's true, bro. You can't be asking for stuff. You can't just say you got faith in God and then you ain't putting in no work. Like, we gotta put in work on this earth. We as people, you feel me? Like, I'm putting in work from now on out, bro. I ain't doing no more complaining. I'm putting in work. I ain't gonna lie, I really don't even, bro, I ain't from the city, bro. So, like, I really don't even be knowing where I be at. Like, I know where I'm at now, but I don't know how to get back to the crib without the GPS from over here. I'm not even gonna care. I ain't from the city, bro. But I had to move though. Somebody was behind me. I ain't gonna lie, I don't like being stopped too long. That's why I had to keep looking. But I was looking the whole time. Y'all probably thinking like, that boy Caleb just sitting there. No, I'm looking to him. I'm in the city. You gotta be on point. God. I can't do that by myself, bro. I had to have God to make that happen for me to be able to do it. Like, y'all just... Bro, I had to have God, bro. God, Jesus, the Holy Spirit. That's the only reason I'm able to be in a wide body scat right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't me. It's never been me. You feel me? Like, it's always been God. And I gotta give God the praise, bro. Just cause, like, I know where I came from. I know where I came from. You feel me? And we in the tunnel. Little shawty gonna get in front of me like that. Speed check ahead. Oh no, I gotta slow down. GSP, I don't want no smoke with y'all folks. If y'all ever watch my videos, I'm putting the car back in eco mode too, bro. I ain't finna be wasting all my gas. I ain't gonna lie, I had my little fun while I had it, bro. I ain't finna keep wasting my gas, bro. I'ma just be real, especially in this traffic. But anyway, man, we got like, bro, we got an 18-minute drive that really supposed to be like 15 minutes, but traffic crazy. See GSP over there, bro. Them boys over there. I don't think they stopped nobody, but I don't think they stopped nobody, but somebody wrecked, I think somebody just wrecked, that's it. So that's good, bro. Hey, if GSP get on you, bro, I just pray for you, especially in Atlanta. Like, GSP and, I ain't gonna lie, GSP in other cities, I don't feel like they be on time and for real. Like, they be cool, but the ones in Atlanta, twin, like, I'm telling you, bro, you better, if you try to run for them, just know where you going. That's all I say. Know where you going and have a full tank of gas. Cause I promise you, bro, if you don't got them two, well, you through. I'm back outside, man. Like I said, man, it's time to get to this money on. Cause nobody else ain't gonna get it for me. You feel me? Like, I gotta get to this money on. God gave me the ability. He gave me the will to be able to do whatever I want to do. So I'm finna get to this money, bro. No more excuses, no more complaining. Like, I'm getting to the money. I'm outside. So if you trying to shop with me, tap in, man. Tap in. I'm telling you, I'm putting you down right now. I played soccer, you feel me? And things ain't go how I wanted them to. With soccer, when that happened, bro, when like what happened with soccer happened with me, bro, that made me realize like life is not how I think. Like, I do not get everything I want. That's not how it's gonna be. So yeah, bro, long story short, I had to find out through sports, man, that, and then YouTube came along, and I wanted to grind at YouTube because I really wanted to make it in YouTube. So I did what I did to make it, and I mean, I ain't made it, but I hit 100K. That's something I thought I would never do, twin. Like, I never thought I would have 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I did that. I got like 123,000. So, hey, I did something that I thought I could never do. You know what I'm saying? So I just want y'all to know that, bro, you can't depend on other people. You gotta go get it on your own. You gotta make these mistakes on your own, and these mistakes being made aren't bad. You feel me? They actually good. They gonna help you in your future. It's gonna get you to where you need to be. You just gotta realize that and understand, you know, God work in mysterious ways, and that's just how it is. Like, and once you realize that's how God work, you gonna see that your blessings gonna start coming 20 times as much as they were in general. Cause like, we all get blessed all the time, but your blessings gonna come more. And I'm saying the blessings that are they unique blessings. Like, you gonna start getting them type of blessings. You feel me? Like, cause the regular blessings are waking up in the morning. You feel me? Having health and strength. But them blessings too, though. Y'all gotta realize that. Them are actually blessings too. But I'm talking about the unique blessings, like what's happening through your life to make you get to another level that you never would have thought you would be at. Those gonna start coming when you start making mistakes and learning. But yeah, you gotta make mistakes and learn to get them unique blessings. You ain't gonna have them blessings until that. But yeah, man, that's gonna wrap it up for this little talk. I'm gonna turn back on the camera later on. Well, good, YouTube, man. Y'all already know I'm back with the video. And I was currently editing the first part of this video, but I just remembered that I gotta go to my garage. So, bro, I gotta get every single sweatsuit it's in a large too, because I only got really larges left. Right, that's one right here. That's cool right here.
Put that camera on me, boy.
Huh?
Don't put that camera on me, boy.
What up, bro? What up, dude? Big head?
No, dude.
What you is in?
A girl. Miss Girl. It's Miss Towler. Dang, you my eyeballs.
Shout out to that boy, man. Jeremy, I believe your name. Yeah, Jeremy. Shout out to you, bro. That boy ordered the full set. He's going all the way to New York. So, yeah, man. That boy ordered literally every single thing. Shout out to him, man. We got in there before them boys closed. And I ain't gonna lie, bro really was cool though. I should have brought the camera in there, but I ain't gonna lie, I was rushing, so I wasn't even really thinking about recording. Bro, I just literally got another order. Like, shout out to that boy Richard, man. That boy Richard Salter, man.